Hi guys, so I'm going to give you my review of these head wraps, these head towel wraps. I want to show you the material. It is so soft, and these actually wash well too, and they're like slightly stretchy. So I bought these because my daughter, she's always trying to get me to like tie the towel on her head. I'm horrible at it. It falls off and she gets mad at me all the time. So I said to her, you know what? I'm going to look and find some of those things that where you don't have to tie it. They have like the button or the clasp or whatever it is. My sister had them and I'm like, we're going to buy these and we're going to try these out. So they come with, I believe it was 3 different colors. She stole one and I haven't seen it since. I think it was green. But honestly, they work really, really well. She did record a video putting it on her head. So I'm going to show it here.
So I did it like this. So there's a button in the back. And then there's this hook. And then, so how you put it up is you put all your hair into this little hood. You collapse it up like this. Get all your hair in there. And then you twist it like this. So it dries your hair. And then you take this little hook and you throw it back. And then
these things are truly awesome. They're really easy to use. That was another thing when I was talking to my sister. She's like, be careful which ones you buy because some of them look like they work well, but then you like can't get them on your head or they don't stay on your head. I have also used them because I have very thick curly hair. You can't really tell now because it's straightened, but it takes a million years to dry. Like it would take me, it has actually taken me days when I let it air dry to dry. When I put these on my head, and I usually only give it like, a couple hours to air dry a little bit before I blow dry it, but it definitely helps my hair just be a little bit more dry before I go to blow dry it, and it kind of keeps it like all out of my face so I can work and I can have one of these on my head. I could even sleep with these if I want to. So overall, these things have been really, really helpful. My daughter's happy. I don't have to tie the towel on her head anymore. They're super, super soft. You can just tell they're really good quality and they definitely get the job done.